Hey! In this video, we'll learn how to convert lines to polylines, polylines to lines, and enclosed lines to region. So let's start by drawing some lines using line command. As you can see, all these lines are individual lines. So, to make it a polyline, select all the lines. And type J for join command and hit enter. As a result, all lines are now connected, that is, converted to a polyline. Now, to convert polyline to line. Select the polyline. Then type X for explode command and hit enter. Now, the polyline is converted to individual lines. To convert enclosed lines into region, type REG and hit enter. Select all the lines and hit enter. And now, it is converted into region. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.